Greetings from Vancouver. Today I'm going to showcase the agent mode of an IDE I have built. So this IDE is built from scratch. It's not a fork of VSCode. VSCode is built for olden times. There's a lot of bloat with it that we don't need. So PorkiCoder is free from all that bloat, and it's its own thing, and it's extremely fast, it's extremely efficient, only 300 megabytes of RAM, whereas Cursor is slow, bloated, and very expensive. So today we're going to try on the agent mode in PorkiCoder to do a simple change on a website, because it's a 2-3 minute demo and complex changes might require more time, right? So I have the PorkiCoder page here. When I click on it, has in the navigation bar features, blog, docs, changelog, etc. But when I click on docs, I don't have access to the blogs or the changelogs. So I'm going to use agent mode to fix that. So I have preemptively pasted it. The docs page doesn't link back to blog or changelog pages. Can you fix that? And I'm going to just send it off. So the way the agent works is it's going to look through all the files and then only pick the three relevant ones and then add those three to context. And now it's generating code. After that, it's going to auto apply generated code. If needed, execute terminal commands. For this, it's not needed. And then do a final verification call to check if the changes were applied properly. So now we just play the waiting game. And it's done. The changes have been applied. So let's see how we're doing. So before the changes, this page did not have blog or change logs. Now after the changes, I'm going to do a quick refresh. And we have access to blog, we have access to changelog. The changes have been applied without me doing anything. It came up with an execution plan, a restate request. The user wants to add blog and changelog pages to this. Files to change it, figured out it needs to change docs, changelog, some edge cases, and it also did like a verification and a final verification to see if all changes were applied properly. And and as we just saw, they were applied properly. Thanks for watching, and I hope to work with you soon.